Now we're out here at Rush Off-Road, looking at the little creek crawl they call Five Guys. We're fixing to climb up it. You want to get GoPro footage of it. I don't think I have anyone to hold the phone and record. So whatever we get with the GoPro is going to be what we get of that. You know, my buddy there and the Samurais going to come with me. They're here at Rush is their Halloween event they got going on. I dressed up as my dream job, a YouTuber. If I could see, not so damn dusty. Checked on the windshield first. Yeah, well. Yeah. Cage was caught on this rock over here. And that side was caught on that dirt.
Touch a street.
That's what the cage is for. Use it. Got the old Samurai coming up. I don't know where this trail goes, so we just go to the top, turn around, and come back down. Alright, gotta get on the other side of this tree real quick. That's as far out as my zoom goes. Oh! Your cage caught the your cage caught the root. Yeah. I didn't think about that. I would have never dreamt of that. There you go. Well, fuck, I pulled you back down in it. Oh! You good? Oh! Well, shit. Turn to your passenger and pull up. Ah! You almost had it. There you go. Sorry about the camera angles. I'm trying to help watching them. That root needs a damn chainsaw took to it.
I might just back off of it.
I don't blame you. That root's going to give you a... Hey, when I come off of it, my cage hit up here. Well, you can see the red. I don't blame you. We need to do something about that damn root ball. Hopefully a tree falls sometime and we can get it out of the dang way. Everyone gets hemmed up on that stupid tree. It's not hardly the rocks that get you, it's the dang tree. Down here at the Show and Shine, they get the 2 Show and Shine trophies and trail trophies. All the buggies that come in, that's my wife's favorite. Can-Am's my favorite. Got old Bigfoot out here. Pretty good filler. Then, of course, we're down here on the end, trying to get somebody else over here. After this, we'll go hit some more trails. Alright, so we won first place for trail rig in the old truck. Woody won second in his Bigfoot. The graphic buggy next to him won People's Choice. We got to talking here, and I didn't see who won Best in Show, or the Show and Shine. But I guess it should have been that purple one, the pink cage one, and the one behind it over there, if it was me. Anyway, let's go hit some trails. But you gotta get mean with it.
Huh?
You'll do it, just gotta get mean with it.
Well, if you want to get mean with it, I'll get out.
Nah, that's how you break shit. It's alright.
That makes me a little nervous.
Oh, that's why. I forget to lock it in.
Oh.
Fuck. What, trying four-wheel drive?
Oh gosh. Are you sure you just don't want me to get out? I don't care to.
Good?
Yeah.
And we almost had it in two-wheel drive, so here we got it. See? What happens if you lock it in? Fucking trees. Good? Not too shabby.
Yep.
Two-wheel drive. Hey, can you walk my hubs in? Ready?
Yeah.
Scared to death to try that in the YJ. They'd bottom out.
Shit, we gonna faster. It's gonna mix up. Big Macs up.
Oh, fucking die.
Hey, God. Is this side steeper than that side?
No, they're the same.
They're the same.
I'd say he'll hit his belly on it.
You also said you'll hit your belly on it.
Yeah, that's why
He's over here trying to give me a heart attack.
We saw that.
Tell him to do it. The 40s.
They may do it, but they ain't doing it with me in here. You did that one on your own.
Hey, you're spinning.
You're spinning.
Almost had it.
Shit.
About 5 foot.
Can we make it up out that way?
No, which way?
Which one?
Any one of them.
Oh, those? I think so.
He said we should be able to.
Mom said she don't like this shipping shit.
I'm about to abandon ship on him.
Just like you want to knock him in the head.
I can't do that, then I won't have a driver.
Looks like one of these. You ready?
Oh God.
We're good. About to lock it in.
I think he meant one of those over there.
Ah, we can
It
do
would
this.
do it 4-wheel, wouldn't it?
Fix them too.
That would encourage him.
Here, see if you can make this one.
I'm going up this one.
We beat you to the top, by the way.
Because you took an easier route. Good.
Yeah.
Well, nothing locked in. Told you we had it.
It makes me nervous. That's too much sky looking for me.
That is a lot of sky.
That was too easy.
That's too much sky that I see.
Alright, good news. We made it back home without breaking anything. Sorry for all the GoPro footage. It seems like that's all we got today. Let me know what you think. Do you like that? Do you not like that? Some feedback would be nice. So let me know down in the comments. And we'll see y'all in the next video. So if you see my post on Facebook or my post here on YouTube, I got some AI pictures out asking what's y'all's opinion? Red body with a black cage or a black body with a red cage. I think I've decided to do the black body with the red cage, red bead locks, but on the bead locks, the bolts, do those in black. There's a little bit of contrast there. I think that looked pretty good. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. We'll see y'all in the next video.